So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of auto correction on your keyboard. If you don't want that feature, it definitely affects your typing, and if you have been talking to any other language other than English, using English, it will definitely gives a lot of problem to you. Now in order to do that, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the settings you can either go to the keyboard option manually just by going to accessibility, and here you'll see this option of keyboard right there. Here you'll see keyboard and typing. Now here either you can get it from here as well, or simply search for auto correction right there. Once you do that, here you'll see in the keyboard you'll see this option of auto correction. Simply turn this option off, so it won't directly correct your sentences, and it will fix the issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.